So yes, I'm gonna clear some things up because I did receive some DMs saying, wait a minute, you said number 4 is represented by an asteroid, and then you said that number 4 is represented by Uranus. Both is true. So the asteroid, yes, it's represented by the asteroid in Hindu mythology. In Western astrology, yes, it's represented by Uranus. So let me touch on this a little bit again. So in Hindu mythology, it is represented by the asteroid that orbits the Earth, which is represented by number 4, which is represented by the god Rahun. I think I'm saying that right. Number 4 in Western astrology is represented by Uranus, which is Kylus, I think, which is Zeus's grandpappy. But either one is correct. It's not really the planet or the asteroid, it is what the energy represents. So number 4 represents work, as you know. It also represents the 4 seasons or the 4 elements. It can represent accidents, sudden change, danger, and destruction, facts, science, and looking for evidence. And also building, of course. Building can come in numerous ways. It doesn't have to be physical work. It can be research of any kind. It could be spiritual work. It could be even body building. In fact, number 4s would be good at that if they hone the ability to body build. Because number 4, the way it's shaped, it is of expanding. It's only the number that wants to expand itself. Also, so in China, if you go in some elevators, there is no 4th floor, no 22nd floor, no 31st floor, and no 13th floor. Let me explain that. It's because it deals with sudden change, and especially the number 13. Let me down on that a little more. So the number 13, especially in Western society, we know as the number 13 as a bad luck number, but this is further from the truth. So similar to a number 7, not a number 7, but similar, things fall into place for a number 13 the way they do, because it does deal with sudden change. Number 4 does also deal with accidents. That's a side note. So number 13 is a luck number, especially in the occult, because the occult, if you take a look at number 13, it's made of 1 and 3. 1 is of the father and 3 is of the child, which equal to 4, which is law and order and sudden change. Also the 4 seasons, I said that. So if you work whatever you work on as a number 4, you can have accidents, you can accidentally cut yourself most of the time, you can trip most of the time. The people around you may see this and call you clumsy, but this is not the case. Also, number 4s can have an irregular heartbeat because it's hard for number 4 to rest. And the asteroid in Hindu mythology is mostly always in retrograde, so that's why you experience a irregular heart. And if you go to the doctor and try to get medicine for this, it may get worse. But if a number 4 just accepts it and accepts that this is a normal thing for it, then it'll be all gravy, baby. So true enough to be true, what I said about the asteroid and Uranus is 2 in the same. The energies are the same, just a little bit different allegory or a little bit different comparison. The planets are different, but the energy stays the same. And there you go. This is going to be my short touch up on number 4. And if anybody has any other questions and wants to reach out to me, they can. But I do think it's beneficial for anybody out there to study their own personal avatar in the 3D realm that we live in. With that said, this is going to be it for this video. And if you liked it, give me a like, give me a share, follow, and bye bye.